Managing your family welfare while juggling a busy work schedule can be a daunting task, but with the right strategies in place, it is definitely achievable. In this video, I will share some tips and tricks on how to effectively balance your work life and family life without feeling overwhelmed. First and foremost, it is important to establish clear boundaries between work and family time. Set specific work hours and stick to them as much as possible. This will help you create a sense of routine and predictability for both yourself and your family members. Make sure to communicate these boundaries with your employer and colleagues so they are aware of when you are available and when you are not. Another key aspect of managing your family welfare is to prioritize your tasks and responsibilities. Make a list of all the things that need to be done both at work and at home and rank them in order of importance. Focus on completing the most urgent and critical tasks first, and delegate or postpone less important tasks when necessary. This will help you stay organized and avoid feeling overwhelmed by trying to do everything at once. It is also important to make time for self-care and relaxation. Take breaks throughout the day to recharge and rejuvenate your mind and body. This could be as simple as going for a walk, practicing mindfulness or meditation, or engaging in a hobby that brings you joy. Remember, taking care of yourself is essential in order to be able to take care of your family and excel in your work. Lastly, don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Reach out to your partner, family members, or friends for support with household chores, childcare, or other responsibilities. Consider hiring a babysitter or housekeeper if necessary to lighten your load. Remember, it's okay to not be able to do everything on your own, and seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. In conclusion, managing your family welfare with a busy work schedule requires careful planning, clear boundaries, prioritization, self-care, and asking for help when needed. By implementing these strategies, you can create a healthy balance between your work life and family life and thrive in both areas. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips will help you achieve a harmonious and fulfilling life.